This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Wednesday midweek to talk about Bitcoin, crypto, and everything that's been happening in this space, as well as my own life, because I was not here yesterday, and I will fill you in on that in just a moment as people are filing in. So again, thank you for everyone that's been supporting me and loving me. I very much appreciate you. I'm going to jump into everything that's happening in a second. First, I want to shout out our lovely sponsors, both Cake Wallet and Market Cipher. Please use...
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, my
Thanks for all you do day in, day out. Appreciate you. Appreciate Emma. Appreciate Randy. Appreciate Mike too.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, definitely him. He's pretty amazing. Like really amazing. P.S. Emma told Mike to buy SmackDown ticks. Heart. 1.00000000000 LTC.
A whole Litecoins. Thank you. And you know what? I just saw it. Like, I saw it 69.69 for one Litecoin. I was like, this is a perfect day to send it. Thank you. I appreciate that. SmackDown. Sheesh. I don't even know what to say. Yesterday was so bad, guys. I don't know if I finished shouting at Market Cipher. Use code missteencrypto or code Zesty for 20% off at Market Cipher. And also Cake Wallet. Check everyone out. Our lovely sponsors. Love them so much. Shout out to them. Yeah, yesterday was really bad. Red Fox, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Listen, I'll explain everything that went on yesterday, but thank you for the love, Mr. Anonymous, a nice neutral third party right there. I'm going to say good morning to everyone, then I'll tell you guys my life, and make sure we hit that 125 likes, 100 live viewers. My mind is a little bit mixed up from yesterday's though. Ovalbor, it's nice to see you. He said stress eating, oh my. Hi, Brian, all set. Nice to see you. Pickaboo. I see you. We got Greg in the chat. He said, nice dress. Thank you, Greg. Shout out to Greg. John Germain, my in and out friend, giving me FOMO constantly. Nice to see you. Mr. He is in the chat. I can't. My girl Alexandra G as well. Thank you for coming. I appreciate her always. We have, who else? Emma, of course, causing trouble. Joe Harvey, it's nice to see you. Happy Wednesday to you. Good morning, Tom. Tom Allen is awesome. Shout out to him. Shout out to Eric Bulldog. Emma was actually telling me that she wants a bull. She was jealous of Greg's bull. She was like, Greg looks like his bull.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Missed you, romantic face.
Was this fake? Is this fake emotion? Thank you. Appreciate it. S-Dog. Talking about the banana hammocks. He's scared. Nice to see you, man. Shout out to Steven. Good morning. Emmett, good morning. S-Dog cracking me up. Don Manning, it's great to see you. Bruce Savage, nice to see you. Sharam. Yeti, it's nice to see you. Happy birthday to Yeti. It was his birthday a few days ago, but he wasn't in the chat for it, so I couldn't give him an on-the-day special shout out. But shout out now. Happy birthday. Doge Bull, good morning to you. You're so funny, Doge Bull. I saw you comment something. I believe I answered it yesterday. I don't know if I answered anything yesterday. I was such a blur. But I remember you writing something about peace, love, and cornbread, and I was like, Doge Bull knows me so well, man. Aaron, it's nice to see you. John Foster, give my love to you and Emma. We have The Pirate, good morning. Leroy, he said, greetings, Argentina. Nice to see you, man. Ski Packs, good morning. Nice to see you. Who else? Sharam, I think I shouted out. Sack Nasty, that's who I didn't shout out yet. He said, let's make it a nasty morning. Yes. Fredo, nice to see you. Automatic Beats. Aaron, I think I got everybody. I think I did. At least I tried to. I want to give everyone love. Oh, Ray K. Nash. Hi, guys. Hi. Robert Curry. Mrs. Crimson said, morning, darling. Hope your coffee this morning is as bubbly as yourself and coins be pamping. Lasers, pew, pew. Well, I do have my coffee this morning, which I did not get to yesterday. Woo! Okay, so yesterday, let me fill you in. Oh, hi, Sophisticated, Tim, Sailing, Lazarus. Hi, everyone. Hello. Guys, let's make sure we get these 125 likes, 100 live viewers, as I explain, like, the craziness that is my life, right, Mike Volmer? So yesterday, right? I woke up, everything was normal. Like I was like, all right, it's gonna be a good day. I planned like, Saturday and Sunday, me and Emma, we hit the gym. We take Monday off because Monday's a rest day. Also, it's crazy at the gym on Mondays. People like to go work out on Mondays. It's beyond me. Anyway, and I was like, all right, then Tuesday, like we go to the gym, we like do what we need to do. I had like my whole day planned out yesterday, gonna do the show, whatever. So I got up, doing my thing, freshly showered, like freaking ready to get after the day. And, like I'm sitting down and like conversing with my family as we do. And all of a sudden I got the worst like pain in my life. Like, I feel like I have a high tolerance for pain some of the time. Because like, you go through things, So anyway, I was just shook. I felt this and I was like, I don't know if this is a muscle cramp. Like, I don't know if it's because I've been working out a lot. Beyond. And it didn't stop. And I was just like, my family, we were like, they were like, what do we do? I was like, I don't know. Like I was sitting there in like probably the worst pain ever. And it was like about an hour of it. And I didn't realize how long it was. And then they were like, all right, we got to go. So I went to my first doctor. They weren't even there. They were so rude. They were like, get out of here. So they basically kicked me out. And then I went to the ER and everything like that, which wasn't fun. But granted, like the staff was amazing. So they were like really cool. So I felt really bad. And then I was just like sitting there and I was like, I'm supposed to be live right now. I put up the stream. I was fine. I put up the stream. But yeah, it turned out to be kidney stones, and I did every test in the world. And I don't know, apparently it's for older people, and I'm too young for this, according to people, and I don't know. But it was absolutely insane, and probably the worst pain I ever felt in my life. But I am happy I'm back. I'm happy that, like, it wasn't, like, enough for surgery or anything like that. So I am #blessed. I'm happy to be back. I just felt so bad yesterday. I was like, what if all of these tests were for nothing? Like, I went through every test you could possibly go through, every scan you could possibly go through. It was nuts. But I'm happy. I'm okay. And it's just like, at this point, like, you have to realize, friends, that you got to, like, wake up in the morning and be happy that you're up and you're breathing. Because things could change so fast. I was just like, the pain got worse. I was like, is this, like, appendix, like, who knows? But I'm happy, like, we're back, we're through it. And I saw all the love that was in the chat yesterday after Emma jumped in and said that I wasn't attending the stream. So thank you guys for all the love. I really do appreciate it. No, nature, no. Buy bloody Bitcoin. I said I'm feeling be goofy tonight. All right. They say the closest thing to having a baby, LOL, is the kidney stones. Man, I'm ready for children. Then I'm freaking ready. Like, it was just so nuts. But I really am happy. I'm okay. I am drinking water. The agua is here. I'll take a sip for proof. What's up, guys, on TikTok? Oh, yeah, that title, my friend, that's just from the other day. I don't think I updated it. I think it didn't update. From my phone shut off, and then I just pressed go live, so it's probably the same one from the other day. So, yeah, guys, just craziness, but I'm happy I'm here. I'm happy I'm alive. So we're going to talk about Bitcoin and crypto today. Yeah! And just get on with that. Steven said, I was hospitalized 2 times this year for kidney stones. Gosh, man, that's insane. I'm sorry about that, man. That's horrible. That's horrible. David, nice to see you. Aaron, I'll donate my DNA if you want. Oh, Jesus, no, Aaron. You're crazy, Aaron. Thank you. Thank you for the love. Is Uncle Jimmy in here? Where's Uncle Jimmy? I think Emma saying hi to Uncle Jimmy. Am I hallucinating? I don't know. Maybe I'm still losing. Oh, yeah, there's Uncle Jimmy. When stone cookies, when stone emerge. Bro, that might be interpreted in, like, many ways. There's many ways you could go about that one. I was going to start off the show like, guys, I got stoned. It wasn't from the grass. Sorry, I'm losing it. I think I need a fan or something. I'm dying. But yeah, what a crazy day. I'm happy I'm back, though. Only me, bro. Like, I feel like I just have, like, the worst, the worst luck out there, Be kind. We always get the least attention on TikTok. I'm here for you, though. I'm here for you. Power and Grace crypto will soon have the same fate as NFTs. Oh, that's gonna age well. Listen, I don't believe that's true. And NFTs are still here. And you know what? There's a lot of tokenization, which is basically NFTs in a different way, with all of these banks. So if you think NFTs are going away, you're absolutely delulu, my guy. Thirsty, thank you for the 2 roses. I appreciate it. Woo! Crimson, hello. All right, guys, let's get after it today. We have 69 people watching, which is a beautiful, number. So let's get that to 100. Let's get 125 likes. Oh my gosh. Sheesh, man. Freaking sheesh. Someone said the princess is talking. Concentrate. Thank you guys for making me laugh. I needed this. I really needed this love right now. We're going to jump into the charts. So before we were over 38K, we were kind of pumping. But as you guys can see with our little ticker down here, things are changing a little bit.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh my gosh. You're trying to give me some fake love right now. I don't know if that's real or not. Sri Ram, nice to see you. Listen, guys, again, let's kick up that love. And I'm happy I'm not in the hospital today. I'm just so freaking blessed, man. Out of all the ways I could have went, man. Sheesh. Guys, we're going to jump into the news. We're going to talk about everything. And if anyone comes in asking what happened to me, then you guys obviously know the answer to that, so you could fill them in. And I'll talk about it again later if, y'all need a recap. What's up, Michelle? So, guys, we have some news yesterday that the whole investor world is shooketh over. And that is billionaire Charlie Munger passed away yesterday at age 99. He was the VC, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway. This guy, one of the richest men in the world. And he is the business partner of Warren Buffett. Obviously, everyone is shook. He was a big figure in the investment world. So obviously, RIP Charlie Munger. But he did not like Bitcoin, so that is that. But he was gonna come around to it at some point. Maybe when he was like 130, but maybe he would have. But shout out to Charlie Munger. He did do a lot for investing, I guess. So, R.I.P. We're gonna continue moving on. Obviously, I had to acknowledge that. Tim said your aunt passed away. I'm very sorry about that. I'm sending you love. Let's talk about Binance, because Binance has a lot of FUD being thrown its way. So we're going to break it down right now. So Binance, we have news that CZ has stepped down as president of Binance, I believe. So we're going to jump into what happened and the official statement from Binance US. We wanted to provide an update to the Binance US community in light of last week's news regarding CZ in Binance. As you know, Binance was launched with the express purpose of serving US customers in accordance with all US rules and regulations. While we shared a brand and industry leading tech stack, we operate independently of Binance International, Binance.com. To that end, Binance US is not a party to the settlements announced last week, nor do we have any outstanding enforcement matters with the DOJ, FinCEN, OFAC, or CFTC. We remain fully operational, and we are committed to continuing to serve our customers with the same products and services we always have. That said, as CZ transitions to life after Binance, he decided to step down from his role as chairman of our board of directors and transferred his voting rights through a proxy arrangement, whereby his interest in the company is purely economic and will no longer be involved in their governance. We're exceptionally grateful for CZ and his guidance counsel over the years. With his support, we have launched Binance US as a destination of choice of US customers seeking a superior crypto trading experience. They're saying Binance US will continue to be led by Norman Reed and their existing management team. They are going to continue to build, and the team at Binance US is as energized as they ever have been.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Crushing.
Thirsty. Thank you. Appreciate that. Shout out to Thirsty Aztec. What's up, Dez? All right, guys. Let's continue getting after. So, yeah. CZ is transitioning. He did step down from his role as chairman of the board of directors at Binance US. The team doesn't seem like it's going to change there. It's going to continue to be led by their existing team. Overall, Binance is still under siege. We see here in the Philippines, they're saying Binance is operating without a license, which again does not make sense because Binance is really compliant. And the whole point of them launching their services in select countries was because they had permission to do so. So this again, it seems like FUD and is very confusing. Let's jump in. The Philippines SEC has warned the public against Binance, saying the crypto exchange is not registered with the country and operates without the necessary license or authority. They've been actively promoting its platform on social media to attract Filipinos for investment and trading. They said that it's not authorized to do so without the required license. They're saying Binance within the Philippines may face criminal liability under the SEC. They may be penalized with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos, which is around 90 grand, or imprisonment of 21 years or both. They said, quote, "We acknowledge the statement made by the SEC of the Philippines," a Binance spokesperson told the block. Quote, "At Binance, we're committed to aligning with the applicable local regulations. Under our new leadership, we have taken proactive steps to address the SEC's concerns." Which I have not seen Binance do anything else but address concerns, because they get called out every single day. But they continue to go past the FUD. And here's the thing. It doesn't matter what happened with CZ. Binance is still okay. And even CZ said it on his final statement when he said he was stepping down as CEO of Binance, that Binance never commingled funds and they really never did anything wrong like they were saying they were doing to the likes of FTX. Speaking of FTX, we did see some things that happened as a ripple effect of the overall lawsuit. We saw representatives of FTX like Tom Brady. Aw, Coins Chick, thank you for gifting a membership. Please throw those member emojis in the chat. Give me some cookie love in the chat. We saw with FTX that celebrities or brand ambassadors that were associated were sued, like Shaq, like Tom Brady. We're seeing that to the likes with Binance. Concerning Cristiano Ronaldo is sued for allegedly promoting Binance or unregistered securities on Binance, which again has really nothing to do with anything, but more FUD. Soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo is being sued over his involvement in allegedly promoting unregistered securities on Binance. This was with the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Florida. They're saying last year he entered into a multi-year agreement with Binance, launching his first ever NFT collection ahead of the Soccer World Cup. He has since become a prominent figure in Binance's advertising campaigns, leveraging the former Manchester United, Real Madrid, and Juventus players' global fan base and over 100 million social media followers. It alleges that Ronaldo engaged in, quote, a sustained and aggressive promotional campaign, saying that these promotions were deceptive and unlawful. They argue that he knowingly or unknowingly assisted Binance in soliciting investments in unregistered securities by encouraging millions of followers, fans, and supporters to invest with the Binance platform. That is absolutely trash. The fact that they're coming after Cristiano Ronaldo means absolutely nothing. And the fact that they want to make another example. They did the same exact thing with Kim Kardashian. Oh, you promoted this, even though it was a disclosed promotion. Even though, yes, the project was not good. Granted, they wanted to make an example out of Kim Kardashian. They want to make an example out of Cristiano Ronaldo. And we know that the SEC likes to play a game whenever they have these little tiffs with celebrities in crypto. They make them sign and comply to not promote crypto or securities for a certain amount of years. And the reason why they want to do that is because they don't want crypto to have marketing and they don't want people to know about it. And the reason why, obviously, people use celebrities with their companies to advertise is to spread the word about their product, which Binance has the right to do, just like every other company has done, including financial companies that are on the mainstream TV that you watch every single day. NFTs, we already went over that the IRS is trying to learn how to regulate those, that maybe they're going to regulate it the same as they would maybe gold or collectibles. This is another case of FUD, and it is really unsettling that they choose to target celebrities, they choose to target people that obviously others connect to and mislead them on why they should not invest in crypto, which, again, is totally untrue. The NFTs have nothing to do with anything other than it was advertised. That's it. Maximus, I'm clearly misled. All right, that's fine. If Maximus, listen, if you want to be positive, you could. If you don't, then I'm sorry about that. But at the end of the day, I do my own research, and if you want to take part and listen, then you could. If not, then it's okay. You're all good. Coinbase CEO obviously has to stick his nose in it Brian Armstrong, which again, it's like people ask him things all the time. If he wants to give his opinion, then it is what it is. Coinbase CEO said that the Binance settlement is going to turn the page on crypto's bad actors and kind of start a new chapter for us. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says that the industry can finally close a chapter of bad actors after the recent settlement between Binance and the US DOJ. He said, there clearly have been a few bad actors in crypto, and I think we've had a moment recently with the enforcement action against Binance that's allowing us to turn the page on that and close this chapter of crypto's history. He also said that criminal enforcement actions against Binance and the once popular exchange FTX show that taking your business offshore doesn't work. While Binance is a Hong Kong-based company, mostly focused on business in the Asia-Pacific region, FTX was headquartered in the Bahamas. Quote, sometimes it's easy to get big fast by skirting around the rules, and you'll always come crashing back down to reality. Listen, Brian, Binance US still had nothing wrong with them. Nothing. So again, like, this doesn't show anything, and Brian Armstrong is taking part in the FUD against Binance. Literally, there was nothing wrong with the exchange themselves. They didn't say anything was commingled. They were just trying to come after CZ. That was literally it. And they tried to say that, oh, so certain people, illicit finance this, illicit finance that. Where was the money going? If you supposedly know who was using it, where did the money go? How much money was transferred? They still will not tell you that. And they won't tell you really what happened with CZ. Still. And there's a reason why they want to scare you. They think they could just come out and do whatever they want, which clearly they can. William, Bitcoin will happen gradually, then suddenly. Don't miss out. Yeah, I agree. I don't know. What you guys know gets me upset. Oh, hits the heart. Is, of course, central bank digital currencies, because that's obviously the opposite of why we're in this space. Why are we here? A decentralized financial ecosystem, peer-to-peer settlements, no intermediaries, no censorship. But obviously there is an overarching goal of the banks, which is to take over your life as they have done for centuries now, which they have done for years, generations. And it all comes from one spot, mostly. And that's the Bank for International Settlements. This is a group of unelected bureaucrat central bankers that control 95% of the world's economy. Now, we know that there's a bunch of countries, of course, because the BIS is the whole world. Oh, these central banks work together. These central banks work together. And a lot of these banks have been working together since 2017 or 2016 at least on CBDC pilots, on CBDC projects. The reason why we don't want CBDCs is because they are private ledgers, which means that the banks will be able to permit who transacts and where. And obviously, if you get blacklisted, then all the banks will do the same because they're all on the same segue. They're all on the same payment rail, which there will be different ones, but interoperable. The central bank is saying that CBDC payments could be private, that maybe there could be some privacy people would like that. No, this is absolutely laughable that these articles were even written and put out and the statements were made by the BIS. They're saying a joint project by central banks has shown it's possible to maintain privacy while making payments with national digital currencies. We see here the project that's done by the BIS in Switzerland explores payer anonymity with CBDCs. A report on Wednesday shows that the central banks looked at payment options where users don't need to disclose personal information, including the merchant. However, the merchant's identity would be disclosed to their bank when the payment occurs to reduce tax evasion or illicit payments. As jurisdictions around the world consider issuing digital versions of sovereign currencies, privacy emerged as a concern. Quote, privacy is an important user requirement, but it is the most difficult to solve. The difficulty lies in ensuring privacy protection technologically rather than just promising it, and at the same time ensuring that such a high level of protection cannot be abused. Are you serious? They're saying that this project is the first step in exploring security and scalability. How is it the first step when you've been working with the BIS in Hong Kong specifically for years? All of these articles are highly misleading. Go on Hong Kong Monetary Authority website. I'll show you right now. 2017 Project Lion Rock. Oh, we see here the Bank for International Settlements Innovation Hub Center in Hong Kong, but still the Bank for International Settlements. We know they're all the same group. was jumping in by 2020. So all of these people, this is not the first step for anybody. And that's what we're going to be breaking down today, because it really makes me upset that they try to, these will be private transactions. We're going to work on it. Absolutely not. These are the last people you should be trusting at all. You should never trust the Bank for International Settlements, because they're even saying that the central banks have no interest in personal data. Central banks have no interest in personal data, said the BIS official Cecilia on Tuesday, seemingly looking to quell privacy concerns surrounding the digital currencies. However, monetary authorities in major jurisdictions have been mounting criticism. The public, too, would feel much better using digital versions of fiat, like the US dollar or British pound, if privacy was preserved. Ensuring privacy increased participants' willingness to use the CBDC by up to 60%. A BIS report showed. Why are they using BIS reports when they're all biased and they come from the same people that have a mission? All of these reports, all of these polls, I don't believe a single one of them. Who takes the polls? How do you allow who takes the polls? They never let you know. They put any number they want and they throw it out there. I don't trust a word that they say. They said in here, quote, central banks have no interest in commercial personal data. That is a lie. All they want to do is control you. And you know what? I have some evidence for you. I have some evidence. They're talking about the digital pound. Let's talk about the digital pound. This video I'm about to show you is from bankofengland.co.uk. All you have to Google is digital pound and this should come up.
The world we live in is becoming more digital. As a result, we aren't using cash as much as we used to. To keep up with the changing times, the Bank of England and HM Treasury are looking at the idea of a digital pound. This would be an electronic version of cash issued by the Bank of England and accessed through digital wallets provided by private companies. You'd be able to spend your digital pounds in the shops and online using your phone, as well as sending them to friends and family. And you would also still be able to pay with cash or money in your bank, even if we go ahead with the digital pound. People have told us that this could be useful, but we haven't made a final decision whether to launch one. A few countries already have their own version of a digital currency, and over 100 others are thinking about it. We think the digital pound might offer a new way to pay, help businesses, build trust in money, and better protect our financial system.
Oh, look at a nice little graphic. Look at a nice little graphic. They want to build trust in their financial system. Oh, what a lie. That is absolutely hilarious. They know that they're going to use your information. It's not going to be private. None of it is private. They're going to say, maybe one person would have your information. Maybe the bank would have your information. It doesn't make sense. And even here. And even here, it says right here, cash is also very important, but having the digital pound can help us keep uniformity in a future where majority of the payments are digital. They said the UK is the anchor of confidence in their monetary system. It's going to offer financial stability. How could this offer financial stability if all you do is print whatever money you want to print and control every single transaction that happens? And they know, they have openly admitted that they want control, which leads us into the digital euro. The digital euro, they're saying, can end the banking crisis, and it's better than deposits, says the ex-Bank of Spain chief, which it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. A digital euro, unlike bank deposits, is a safe asset and could help end bank crises or deregulate banks altogether, said the Bank of Spain Governor Miguel Fernandez Ordonez. Speaking at a public hearing hosted by the European Parliament's Committee on Economic and Monetary Affairs to discuss the potential CBDC, Ordonez said that the last two major global economic crises arose from using risky assets like bank deposits, which aren't money but promises to return money. Quote, digital euros are euros, but bank deposits are not euros. Deposits are just promises to pay euros, and if the bank can't fulfill it, then you get crises emerging. Acting like a CBDC would benefit with stability. They said one of the concerns is their potential to threaten stability of the banking sector by encouraging customers to withdraw their deposits and convert them into a CBDC. Listen, man, it does not matter because the banking system is messed up anyway. And with the digital euro, they already said that they will limit you to, I think, $10,000 worth. Already, right off the bat, they said you're only going to have 10 to 20K max if you have a digital euro, just because we need to stabilize things. And how is that fair that already they're saying that they will control you? We even look back to April 6th. We have this same clip where the ECB president, Christine Lagarde, our favorite, was talking about control and was interviewed about Bitcoin.
Europe. So we have to be ready.
No, the problem is they don't want to be controlled. They don't want to.
Yeah, but you know what? Now we have in Europe this threshold above 1,000 euros. You cannot pay cash. If you do, you are on the gray market. You take your risk. You get caught, you are fined, or you go in jail. But the digital euro is going to have a limited amount of control. There will be control. You're right. You're completely right. We are considering whether for very small amounts, anything that is around 300, 400 euros, we could have a mechanism where there is zero control. But that could be dangerous. The terrorist attacks on France back 10 years ago were entirely financed by those very small anonymous credit cards that you can recharge in total anonymity.
So they're saying, oh, we need control just to make sure that there are no this, no that. When more illicit finance happens in traditional banking than in crypto, less than 1% of Bitcoin and crypto's transactions are for illicit activity. And you know why we know that? It's because you're able to track it all down. But yeah, she said the quiet part out loud. That is correct, because she's saying that there will be control, that we need control, that it's essential to have control in this type of economy where people could just do maybe whatever they want. Which, shouldn't we be allowed to do what we want? Of course, criminals need to pay the price. And that's why there is transparency in cryptocurrency and not the traditional financial system. So I think maybe they need to do some work within their own system before they start talking about ours. Now, I see Chris Hanley said in the chat, if you don't want an MTC, why are you complaining about how much you are allowed to hold? Seriously asking. So it coordinates with the whole thing, Chris. So I'm complaining about it because CBDCs are horrible. I'm also complaining about it because if they do enable a CBDC and they force it on people, then why are you limiting people? If this is supposed to bring financial stability, if maybe this would be more safe for the people, then why wouldn't you prove its safety by letting people have however much they want to have? If it's so transparent and public and private transactions, then why can't you do what you want? That's what I'm saying.
You're welcome.
DNA, heart, fire, dark skin, rose, hugging face.
Aww. Thank you, Amarez. I appreciate that. And yeah, it's censorship. So that's why I don't like it. Censorship is horrible. And the talking skeleton, you're funny, dude. Shout out to Mr. Yi for being a member for 9 months as a top-notch Zesty friend. Said, why am I still buying Emma birthday gifts? I thought we didn't celebrate her. You better love me. SmackDown tickets. Oh, I need to see proof. I need to see proof, fam. You can't not want something and then complain that they don't give enough. Yes, you could. Yes, you could. Because if they are going to enable it, if they are going to force it on people, then they should let people use it the way they want to use it, which they're not, which they're controlling. So, yeah, it's not right. It's not right. What do you mean, like echo chamber, Chris Hanley? Like, oh, Chris, I don't like it, but I'm allowed to talk about the limitations and sheesh. So, yeah, that was a little bit nuts. A little bit nuts. Yeah, like, absolutely wild. Oh, you'll get arrested, if you don't really comply with what we want you to comply with, it's fine. MTC, are you not hold? We need an MTC hoodie edition. Yeah, I should get my hoodie out. I do have a hoodie, but it's like really big. All right, guys, we have over 100 people watching, 84 likes. Let's smash the like. Share this stream out with friends. You can even look back, you want to look back how far this goes. 2020, they were putting out discussion papers on CBDCs for the Bank of England. So nothing about this is new. Absolutely nothing. Now, I want to talk about some more things because we see here that Santander is making moves in crypto. Now, Santander hates crypto. Literally, you could look it up. In the UK, they limit you how much you could buy in crypto a month. You also see that they actually shut off some people from completely buying crypto. In Switzerland last week, they were offering Bitcoin and Ether trading for clients that had a high net worth, private clients in Switzerland, which again is not right because the richer people get rich. And that's exactly what they want, is for you to buy crypto through them and only the amount they let you buy. But now they're having select custody crypto firm Taurus for safeguarding. So now they're teaming up with more crypto firms. Spanish banking giant Santander selected crypto safekeeping tech firm Taurus to implement self-custody for digital assets. Last week, they were in the news confirming that Bitcoin and ETH trading would be there in Switzerland. Geneva-based Taurus, which specializes in custody tech for crypto and offer tokenized assets, announced a partnership with Deutsche Bank back in September. They invested in Taurus in February, Deutsche Bank, as part of a $65 million Series B round led by Credit Suisse that also included Arab Bank Switzerland and Pictet Group. There was no comment from either side, Taurus or Santander, but you see the double standards and you see where they're going first. They want to make sure that you can only buy crypto as an institution, as a high net worth individual, before retail could even get a touch. And that's why they want to continue letting rich people get richer and putting retail last, because they don't want you to get ahead. And that's the facts. We do have Jack Dorsey, though. He's saying he wants to keep decentralizing Bitcoin, and he made a $6.2 million investment to make sure he could do that. Ex-co-founder and Bitcoin advocate Jack Dorsey is backing a new Bitcoin mining pool to help miners regain control of block rewards and transaction fees. He led a $6.2 million seed round for Mumulin, a parent company of the new decentralized Bitcoin mining pool called Ocean. The seed funding will support the launch of Ocean, which is designed to decentralize and reshape the process of Bitcoin mining. The pool specifically aims to provide more mining transparency and enable miners to receive block rewards directly from Bitcoin rather than the mining pools. Ocean is a new type of pool that enables miners to truly mine again. We're launching as part of the most transparent pool and the only non-custodial pool where miners are the recipients of the new block rewards directly from Bitcoin. The co-founder said this gives them the ability to withhold payment from individual miners when you have the mining pools, whether by their own choice or a legal requirement, saying Ocean's non-custodial payouts directly to miners from the block reward remove this risk and the pool's undue influence on the miners. He said, when I see a project that's good for Bitcoin broadly, and that's also good for me and my companies personally, it becomes a simple decision for me and I'm happy to be part of it, says Jack Dorsey. I want my miners to jump in and let me know how you guys feel about that, because I'm not sure. Like, you know, I like my miners. I love my miners, but I want to make sure this is okay. And I do like the thought of like direct rewards to the miners, because I know the pools are always a little tricky. And I think if there's a way to decentralize that, then I would like that. I would enjoy that. So let me know your thoughts. Now, we're going to talk about Dogecoin. Dogecoin has a actual thing going on. It's going to the moon. And what do I mean by that? There's a Dogecoin funded SpaceX Doge 1 moon mission that's going to deploy, and it's getting ready to launch. A planned moon mission funded by Dogecoin took a step closer to launch following a key regulatory approval from the NTIA, which forms a precursor to the final FCC license. The Doge 1 satellite is being developed by space tech firm Geometric Energy Corp, which announced its project in May of 2021. The satellite will be launched aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket. The National Telecommunications and Information Administration approved Doge 1 X-band, confirmed CEO of Geometric Energy Corp said in an X post. We will have to get the FCC license grant, which will address X-band and S-band. So we see here the launch was first announced by SpaceX and Elon in 2021. However, it's been repeatedly postponed, but it's one of the first, or one of the two, Dogecoin-related missions planned in the coming months. That is absolutely beautiful. I love this. I absolutely love it. So a physical Dogecoin could reach the Earth's moon. How fun is that? And Elon will make it happen because he loves his Dogecoin. If we check in on Dogecoin currently, before this mission goes off, let's take a look at what Dogecoin is doing. Now, Dogecoin is currently 8 cents, which is a critical level. We really wanted to see 8 cents, so hopefully we could sit on 8 cents and continue to go up. Our next target is 9.5 cents, which will look silly in the long run, especially because we see some nice bullish signals like RSI peaking, nice money flow, VWAP coming up, as well as a green dot playing out with the momentum. If you guys are bullish on Dogecoin, then you might be going to the moon physically. Elon Musk, shout out to you. And if you guys feel that Elon Musk will do more with crypto, then smash a like, comment below, and let me know yes or no. Can Doge hit $1? That's also a really good question. That's a really good question. Throw your thoughts in the chat. What's up, Lord Michael McDade? Everyone in the chat. Optic Renda, nice to see you. I'm My Hero, nice to see you. Haven Peck. All right, all right. So, let's jump into the charts and the crypto market overview. We have 3 more likes. We have 94 people watching. Smash that like now. Smash that like, please. Okay, so we got the overview. We got STX that's pumping, IOTA, Luna, like crazy stuff. Hex is pumping today, Solana pumping today. So very, very interesting. Some price action that is going on here. Now, let's take a look at the charts. We have Bitcoin that's 37,700 and what? $69 today. Ooh, down 0.17%. So let's talk about what we have going on. Firstly, market Cipher. Nice green money flow, fat green money flow. You got that beautiful green dot that's pumping. VWAP over that 0 line, and the RSI still chilling. So, and it's still heading back up as well. So nice bullish signs here on Bitcoin. Although we are taking a dip, we did test our low resistance here at 37.6. So hopefully this becomes support, and we can head back up to 39.6. Or 40K. That would be the Zest. But that is the next target we have. So that is what I'm looking at. And obviously we are stuck in this little range here, low consolidation. But again, if we break down, then hopefully, if anything, we bounce off 34K, come back up. But that's craziness. And you know what? We are due for a retrace. And if we do retrace, I'm not going to be surprised. However, everyone thought we were going to dump yesterday when we pumped. Same thing for today. So we'll see what happens.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Missed you last night on Billy Goat Tales. Kissing face, smiley face, heart,
Dave,
cool
Dave,
face,
man.
cookie, candle.
Dude, I already heard about this, man. I already got my text messages about this. I was talking about it. I don't know if Redman's here or Biomax or Billy is in the chat. I know Uncle Jimmy is. I spoke to him. I was in the hospital yesterday, so I was like in a lot of pain, Dave. So I did not make it to the stream yesterday, no. And please tell Billy that I am sorry. But I did want to come. I actually mentioned it to my dad last night. I was like, I'm going to miss the Billy's face. I'm so tired. I literally, you know what time I went to bed last night? 9 o'clock. I'm not even joking you. I went to bed at 9. I was so dead. And I went through so much yesterday. So I'm sorry, Dave. I am sorry. And give everyone my love. We're going into Ethereum. $2,026 Ethereum. Down 1% today. We do see here that green money flow is coming down a little bit because, again, we see some coinciding signals like a little bit of a dip in the RSI, the red dot printing on the momentum, and the VWAP still below the 0 line, but wanting to head back up. Ideally, staying over $2,000 is ideal. We want to make sure we stay over 2K because 1997 was not cute, although yesterday and the day before we bounced off and really used that as support. So hopefully it remains that way. We also have a target of $2,100, so we're going to make sure we return to that, hopefully, and the buyers defend it. Seems like the buyers are defending 2020 right now, so we'll see how this turns out. But that's our next target, maybe bounce off of 2,000, come back up to 21. That would be a nice, clear segue, in my opinion. But we will see how that all plays out. And Litecoin! Litecoin, the right coin. We love Litecoin. Woohoo! Litecoin. $69.49. It was $69.69 before, which was cool, but not anymore. You know, hopefully we get back up there. Down 0.4% today. We do see here that we have that green money flow. That VWAP wants to come over that 0 line. Although we do see here a little bit of conflicting items, which is the RSI in this neutral territory, as well as a red dot on the momentum. So we'll see how this all works out. But we do see last time that we had this sort of dip occur that we did bounce up quite nicely with Litecoin. So we'll see what happens. We'll work it all out. We'll see. It'll work out, woo woo. So who knows? Could this be a long-term cup and handle here? Maybe. We have yet to see. We also have a $74 target for Litecoin as well as $77, which is the 200-day SMA, and that is beautiful. I also, oh my gosh, I'm such a poop. Tom Crown, I don't know if you're still in here. I saw you in the chat before. I was like in the middle of speaking, but I was like, I'm going to say hi to Tom. Tom, shout out to Tom. He's in the gym right now. I wanted to go to the gym yesterday, but obviously that got ruined, and I don't know if I'm going to go today either because it's just a chaotic day for me. I have a bunch of meetings and stuff, but those are the charts. Those are your market recaps. And hello, Kenio. Nice to see you. All I know is that, oh, yeah, I do have the proof of SmackDown. I do have, oh, my gosh. I actually do have the proof. All right, I just have to accept it. Dope. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Thank you. That's real. That's real. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Dang, her live connection keeps lagging. Too many things on the Wi-Fi. Doctor, please head over to youtube.com/missteencrypto, PFP link in bio. It says here that everything is good on my end, so I'm not sure why it's lagging for you. That's actually a little bit upsetting. Hi, Morty. This news will only bring those close to 10-cent Doge. You know, maybe. I just hope that, like, we could hit 10-cent Doge, because like that's the target I've been having, and I didn't like when we were like at 5 cents. I was like, no. 6 cents, no. It's random, but you checked other lives and they're fine. You know what? It's because TikTok doesn't like crypto. That's exactly it. Morty, it's lagging. So yeah, PFP link in bio. YouTube is a way better experience. I'm sorry that it's lagging for you. It's obviously the phone on the Wi-Fi, but I have my computer all hardwired and plugged in and such. But yeah, I'll send you my doctor. No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Coins Chick said, Tom, I swear I'm working. Oh my gosh. Coins Chick. Yes, you are working. This is education. You're educating yourself. I'll talk to him if he gets you in trouble. Digi, just tuning in. Sorry, got sidetracked from the farming portal. Oh gosh. Crypto Pollo, Scottish Crypto. Nice to see you. All right. Double O, nice to see you. Okay, B Team, AB, nice to see you guys. All right. Where's Tom? Is Tom back in the chat? Hi, Lifer Adam, nice to see you. All right. So let's get into some chart requests. I'm looking for some. I saw PCX, if that's right. Hi, MK. Nice to see you. So let's do some chart requests. PCX. Hold on. PCX. I see a Gate.io and MEXC are the only two options. So I'm just going to go with MEXC. And if the other one is better, then obviously please let me know. And I will look at it for you 100%. Cause I've been feeling lonely. I need someone to hold. All right. So we see some recent price action from PCX. It's actually pretty interesting. So we'll talk about it.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Said the prayer earl for God know you as MTC? Smiley face.
What? What happened here? The set a prayer IRL for MTC. Does God know you as MTC? Yeah, now I know what you're saying. Yeah, I guess so. I'm known in all types of forms to the Lord above. So thank you for sending some prayers for me. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Did someone say chaotic? You're missing chaos, aren't you?
Of course I need the chaos in my life. Okay. You're having issues on TikTok too? Yeah, censorship. We love censorship. PCX. Let's look at it. It's called ChainX is the coin. 26 cents today, down 9.9%. So let's break down what's happening. We've had some pretty consistent volume coming in. Money flow went into the green. Seems like some highs for actually the money flow that you haven't seen since March of 2021, which I guess is nice. Also, the RSI at a nice little level that we haven't seen since February 2023. Thanks for subscribing, fam. Shout out to you. We have a red dot printed, though, as well as that VWAP that had a nice little slide below that zero line, and that's probably why we had this volume also drop off here, that red candle today. So probably what I'm looking at is testing 31 cents again, because we've seen that this is where we've been hitting for the last 3-4 days with no prevail. So we'll see what happens there. And also, if you bounce off 22 cents, that's not the worst thing ever, but it's pretty much maintaining. Really bounced off of 25 cents pretty strong yesterday as well. But yeah, there's not much I could say here because it's also pretty new. But Seems like there's a little cup and handle action. Little bit of a cup and handy. Woo, 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 wee. So that was pretty nice. That is a pretty nice formation. I like that. So that's your PCX. I know someone mentioned Caspa in the chat, and I will look at that. Why don't I have that bookmarked already? That's sus. That's sussy. All right. I can't believe how many times I said that yesterday. It was so bad. Okay. So Caspa, and you're going too far. Let me actually add Caspa to my watch list before I lose it. Caspa. What am I on? MEXC, USDT. Got it. Okay. So we got 12 cents, almost 13-cent Caspa. So we see that we are down 3% today, and we've been battling with this little level right here. Let me make that line a little longer. Yeah, that's cute. All right, let's go and look at market Cipher. So we see that the money flow has been green for quite a long time. We also see here that the VWAP, a little stagnant below that zero line, wants to come up. We see that the red dot is printed and that money flow sliding off a little bit. So that's probably why we're having some price action today. That's not as great as we like to see it. Also, you see that volume sharp decline right there. So we were looking, we're like, all right, what's going to happen? It's pretty much maintaining 12, 13 cents, really where it's at now. And I would like to test 0.137389. That's the target. That's what I'm looking for. Because, again, we tested that the other day, rejected it, and we're kind of stagnant where we are now. And worst case scenario, maybe we hop back down to 9 cents and bounce back up if that's really the ideal situation. But that's really all I can really see here for Caspa, to be honest. But it's on a nice run, and it's pretty much in discovery mode. It's consolidating pretty nice, I have to say. For it to hold that is pretty good. Especially it's up like 2,200% this year. Like, that's crazy. Can we look at EWT? Okay, EWT. Let me gander. And I will do H-bar after. I will do H-bar. Okay. Energy Web Token. What's the best exchange? Is Kraken okay? I'm going to go with Kraken. I'm going to go with Kraken because we're cracking out these charts. Yeah. Because we're cracking out these charts. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look here at Energy Web. Energy Web. All right. Looking at two major levels here so far for Energy Web, taking a little gander. We see here it's 2.69 cents. $2.69. That's so awesome. 3%, around 3.3% in the green. We see here that the RSI really bounced off and is having a really good time. We also see that the green dot is printed, money flows coming in, VWAP is up. So we're seeing like some really nice bullish signals for EWT. We see here that we did really maintain $2.20 after we dropped off. We was a little bit scary because if this is the chart, this is low. Those were lows that we really didn't see since May of 2020, since launch. So buyers really defended it here and took over. So at least we're defending $2 now. We're over that. And we want to hit $2.73 because we've been trying to hit that for the past few days with no prevail. So hopefully we could bounce that off of there. And then probably next target I have is where we were bouncing off for quite a while, which is around $2.90, $2.96. So that's what I'm looking at next. But yeah, get through this level first and see what happens. Hopefully you guys maintain over the 200-day SMA because, again, once you're over the 200-day SMA, obviously you have really nice price action that follows that. But yeah, that's looking pretty nice. That's looking pretty nice. All right, let me look at my messages now. All right, H-bar is next. Let's do some H-bar. Oh, shoot, you guys are going off, dude. Okay, H-bar is next. Dude, I'm so happy I'm doing the show today, guys. I'm like, I really can't contain it because it's just, I was so sad yesterday. I really was so sad, and now I'm happy. So yay, let's be happy. All right. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Ooh. All right. I see you. Okay. All right, H-bar. We see the vibe. And we're going to talk about the vibe. Okay. So we got H-bar right here. H-bar is actually pretty interesting because we're looking at points that we haven't been looking at since, I believe this is before 2021. Freaking 2020. All right. Damn. All right. Let's talk about it. So we got H bar looking at levels that we really haven't seen since 2019. That is bonkers, yo. That is bonkers. So we see back here in 2019 that this level, 0.045 cents, trouble. 4 cents, 4.5 cents was not able to get through. And then we dumped. We came right through. It was like a nice little cup and handle if I've ever freaking seen one. Oh my God. Look at this. Cup, handle, wapow. Really bounced up nice, but rejected 5 cents, almost 6 cents, went kaplu. And then we went through a low by 2021, skyrocketed back up throughout 2021, the bull market. Then we making our way downtown, walking fast, faces past, and I'm homebound. We see here that while we were homebound and we were going down and a milli around, that we messed up at 6 cents, 0.069 about. Could not maintain it, tried for a while. Then we went back down to 6 cents flat. Oopsie. 6 cents flat and absolutely dumped back in here in November 2022. Trying to make the comeback here. Now we're looking at present day where, again, we're still stuck in the same exact range for years with H-bar, except for the bull market, the last bull market. So what are we at now? Over the 200-day SMA, which is great. Trying to maintain that 6 cents, which is dope because, again, 6 cents was a big downfall for us last time we rejected it. Here in November of 2022, again in May, and then again in August, we see the price we paid for that. So make sure, hopefully, buyers defend right here, 6 cents, bounce right up to almost 0.069. That's the number, and we want to go hang out there. So that's what we want to test next. Bounce off of this as support and head back up. That's what we like to see. Even Market Cipher is telling us that we're having some trouble because the RSI, because of the little Christmas tree action we have going on. And the VWAP is not making its way back up. So we need to make sure that happens. So shout out to the H-Barians, the new Fed coin and stuff. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. Listen, we already know that H-bar is a part of Fed now. So we already know they're with the Feds, which means there is a high amount of money involved. All right, so Crow. Let's Crow. Do I have Crow already? No. Okay. All right. So Crow, crypto.coms. We got here that we did reject the level we were looking at, which was 0.0959. We're sitting at 0.0911. So 9 cents, just over that, 1.73% in the red. We do see here that the money flow, even you see in the volume too, has fell off a little bit. Red dots printed. Momentum, we see here that the VWAP is down. The RSI is pretty stagnant, neutral. So we're going to see what happens here. But again, we want to test 9 cents, 0.096, and hopefully get back to where this wick went up to, which was around 12 cents, which again is crazy, but on a really nice run with crypto.com. Ever since we went above that 200-day SMA, it's been pretty nice. But let's hit this level again. That's the target. Just maintaining that. Okay. Savage like a FH bar. Oh my God, you're funny, dude. You are funny. Go off, fam. All right. So we did H bar, Crow, EWT. We did XNA. Okay. And I saw Mr. Yi. He wanted Ethereum Classic, so I'll do that. Hold on. I'll do ETH Classic first. Where did I do this? Where was my chart for this? Frick. Oh yeah, here it is. Woo! Okay. So we got ETH Classic, $18.66, down 1%. So we do see here that it does coincide with the momentum, printed that red dot, money flow coming down, pretty neutral as RSI. Man, what is happening? Oh, all right. Well, we see here that altcoins are kind of taking a hit today anyway. Very few of them are in the green. But we are maintaining $18. We're staying above the 200-day SMA, which is great. And the next target is $19.93, which we were looking at a while ago. And nice cup and handle that formed here, but obviously did not work out to the best extent. It did work out, but not completely. We did dump right after that and give back all of our gains. Woo! But hopefully you guys get the $19.89, $19.90, and that's the next target, maintaining $18 and not falling below that, or $18.08. That's really what you're looking at, is not falling below right here. Cool. What's next? XNA, ETH Cloud. Okay, so XNA, let's do that. XNA. All right, Yeah, I remember this was, oh yeah, I remember I told you about this one. I told you I really couldn't do it, man, because there's not a lot of history. Like, I'm on CoinX, and it's 0.0053 cents. We're bouncing off. It seems like, this seems to be a supportive level. So really, you're in price discovery, where it's like, are you going to chase the green candles, hope you bounce back up, or you're just going to wait for maybe a big retrace? But that's really up to you. I don't think I could really give you much on this because there really is no history, unfortunately. The only level I could really see is like here, but that's like really far away. You're in price discovery mode, man. Price discovery. All right, let's do VRA, and then we'll go to coin. VRA. All right, yeah. All right, so we got VRA. These lines are hard to see. I don't like this. I gotta change the color really quick. It's like purple, and I don't know. I think it's hard to see, especially with dark mode. So I'm just changing the colors. There we go. That's better. All right, so VRA, Veracity, 0.00753 cents today, 1.43% in the green. So we do see that there were a few gaps where we had some volume gaps, but once they filled in, like we had some nice price action. So looking here, we have that green money flow that isn't coming in as strong as it was. Pretty flat RSI, though we do have a little momentum, a little teeny weeny one with the red dot printed, and the VWAP is trying to come back up, which maybe is why we're having some nice price action. But we're really sideways trading here at 0.007 cents. Last time we dumped on this, fell below the 200-day SMA. It was a little bit scary. So the ideal hope is maintaining this level, not falling below it, maybe going back up to where we were here and heading back up to a penny. But that's what I'm looking at in the most bullish scenario possible. But maintaining this level is probably the most important, and watching out for that 200-day SMA right here. Yeah. Yeah. What's up, Zon Kang? What's up, Zon Kang? Dad's channel. Hi. Club 80. Nice to see you. MTC, can you describe... Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Can you describe your chart indicator that you use? Okay. So this is Market Cipher. Mods, if you could please throw the Market Cipher link. Oh yeah, you did. Oh, my dad's awesome. So make sure you guys check out the Market Cipher link that's in the chat. 20% off with code missteencrypto or code Zesty. Please use that link. That's the most important link. So basically, I'm using specifically Market Cipher B. There's obviously different Market Cipher. Oh wait, how do I get the indicators? Over here. So yeah, invite only ones. You have the DBSI, A, B, and SR. So B is what I really like to use. I feel like it's the most beginner friendly. So we could break it down. This is the VRA one. So basically, this little green wave is the money flow. When it's in the red, obviously, that means not a lot of money is coming in. Green money flow means money is coming in. The RSIs are here as well, which is, again, always on your charts anyway, but just here in different colors. Then you have the momentum, like, obviously the momentum in the market. And then when you print red or green, it mostly shows you like the buyer reaction, like what's to come. And then you have the VWAP, which is a very important indicator as well, which basically I feel like makes up a lot of the price action, because when you see the VWAP either confidently go below or above the zero line is where you see a lot of price action occur. So a lot of people use Market Cipher because in this case, there's a good clip that Dave Digital, if you're in the Discord, then Dave Digital could probably send it again from Crypto Phase, where if you see red money flow, deep red money flow, and you feel like it's going to come out of it, then that's when a lot of traders are like, okay, maybe I'll jump in, maybe that VWAP will coincide, which it kind of did, and you had that really nice pump when that did occur. But yeah, so that's pretty much like a little overview of Market Cipher. And there's, of course, videos on it and explainers on the website. And I highly recommend you guys watch the video because I even took notes on it somewhere. Where are my Market Cipher notes? I literally took notes somewhere. Market Cipher notes. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this is only the first video when I was learning about Market Cipher B. And I even wrote notes on it. So I highly recommend, if you guys like taking notes, to make notes. So this is literally just for the first video I watched, which is the Market Cipher B. So green, red is money flow. The blue blob, as I wrote it there. Oh my God, that's how when did I even write this? I don't even know. Momentum in the market, looking for ways to reduce in size in a direction. Large wave is an anchor wave. Trigger wave is the next wave. The RSI closer to the 0 line is oversold. Aim to buy. Enter a long or short, half or 3/4 through the wave to have a clear direction and see if the other time frames look similar. And then the yellow wave is the VWAP oscillation wave. Look for this headed up towards the 0 line to break above confidently. Short is when you want to short the thing, whatever asset you're looking at, and that's when the VWAP is headed down towards the 0 line to break below confidently. So yeah, these are like my little mini notes. I don't know if they're like the best font for y'all to read it, but if you guys want to take a screenshot of that, you definitely could. This is like a little breakdown of Market Cipher B, and I got all these notes just from watching Crypto Face's videos. I think he updated them too, but he made some videos in the past that I watched and I enjoyed, so I made some notes on them. So if you guys again want to take a screenshot, then this is from Market Cipher B, which again, link is for this in the live chat. And again, there's more than just Market Cipher B. There's a bunch more there. Yay, Crypto Face. Shout out to Crypto Face. I love that dude. Freaking love Crypto Face. He'll be like, I love you too, little mama. Because he does that little funny voice. I love Crypto Face, man. Calls me little mama, caught on, you know. What an icon he is. What an icon. A miss big deal too big time to rave. Are you saying you want to rave? Oh gosh, you guys want to rave? I don't know. Oh wait, I didn't finish all your requests. I'm such a poop. Hold on. If you guys want to rave, there has to be 130 likes at least, maybe 150. But oh my gosh, I'm such a poop. Flush me. I love the freaking sound, dude. It's so funny. Okay, so I'm sorry. I get like way too much of a kick out of my soundboard. Like, bless my soundboard. I love it so much. Like, I literally cannot live without this thing. Like, my soundboard is like my holy grail. I can't go without her. Can't go without her. But we have Coinbase stock, which was a request, so I'm of course going to do it. And if you guys have more requests, then I can take a gander at those as well, to the best of my ability. Now, we do have Coinbase stock here. That's $130 today, 78 cents a share, and has been absolutely tearing, 1.86% in the green. We're looking at Market Cipher. Nice VWAP, looking for more confidence there, but that money flow is pamping. RSIs pamping, bullish as ever. Probably the most bullish we've seen since November of 2021, which is insane. We also see here that the money flow, gorgeous, yummy. Green dot, momentum, yummy. Love all of that. And we saw once this all happened, Moonith, and we went above $110, which was what we were battling back here in July. And that's when we had a lot of FUD come out about Coinbase, and they tried to FUD Coinbase. But then we bounced off for $70 and it coming back up. That's a whip. That is a whoppa right there if I had to have a whoppa. But Coinbase is at a nice point because we haven't seen this level really since, what was this, May of 2022. So let's conquer the May of 2022 level that, of course, we're at literally at this moment. And if we could get through that, then I'm probably looking right here where we rejected and went on this major downturn, which is 155. So let's outline 155 as our next target. Because again, this is like rediscovering itself, Coinbase, because again, it hasn't been around that long, the stock. So we'll see what happens next. But really nice bounce, really, really nice on Coinbase. Like, that's a fabulous looking chart. Could it retrace? Absolutely. And if it does, then 110 is the target for the retrace and bounce back. But yeah, very interesting. Coinbase is freaking mooning, dude. Mooning. I think I got everything. I think I got all of these. VRA, coin, XNA, done. I did ETC. All right, I guess that's done. Dope. Oh my gosh, that is so lit. We did so many chart requests today. Oh my gosh, Emma, what are you doing, bruh? Dave Digital likes his commands. What's up, Dave? Dave, how are you doing, bro? Potato Vocals request.
A potato flew around my room before you came. Excuse.
Yeah, that's Liddy. That is Liddy. Guys, you guys want to rave? CF, don't be a flopping gropper. What does that mean? The VWAP with the green dot print is a killer app on the 1 hour time frame. You know what? I'm going to write that down on my notes. I'm actually going to write that down so I can look into that. Hold on. All right, Market Cipher notes, paste. Okay, got it. Yay, let's rave. I want to rave. Do you guys want to rave? I want to rave. Can we rave? Rave. Rave. B team. B team, a potato and a fly. You're so funny, dude. A singing rave. Oh my God, I'm losing my noodle. It would be nice to rave after like this craziness, right? But I'll do theta because someone requested theta. So I'm going to do some theta and then, and only then, will I rave. Okay. Hold on. I want to do theta too. I actually want to look at it because theta is actually pretty zesty. And I'm a fan. I am a fan of the thetas. All right. All right. So theta is really interesting. Really, really interesting. Because we see here that theta is at 96 cents. 0.21% in the green. We see here the pretty nice price action from Theta. I'm proud of her. She is nice. Guys, let's get 150 likes, 16 more. Let's pamp it in the chat. My mods, you know what to do. You pamp that up. But we have 0.21% in the green. We have that nice green money flow coming in. Although the red dot printed on market Cipher is not cute, but the VWAP is heading up. The VWAP is heading up, and the RSI looks like she wants to pick up as well. So looking here, we want to test $1.04 again because once we fell off of this, it was a tight rejection, like actually a little bit scary. Bounced off of 56 cents, went above the 200-day SMA here at the end of October. So really nice, confident, and bounced off of 85 cents. Looks like it wants to head back up. Tested $1 the other day. We want to go back there. So that's the whole target for Theta is $1. Psychological level. And when you break the psychological level, that's when people literally go bananas. Oh my God, Theta broke $1. Oh my God, Digibat's going to break a penny. Oh my God. Bitcoin's gonna hit 40K. Oh my gosh, Bitcoin. M2 sip, hydrate first, then rave. All right, M2. You know what? I'm gonna listen to you. My kidney stones will thank you for that. Like literally, I texted. I don't know if they want me to out them. I was texting someone this morning. They were like, "You're too young for this." I'm like, "Dang, man! Like, of course, me. Like, so messed up." Scottish crypto. Let's do the zesty noodle dance. The zesty noodle dance. I think I could do a little noodle. Noodle. Right, Digi? Right, Digi? Pump. Oh, he said pump up the jam. Pump it up like your feet. Now, is that the lyrics are? I used to have to go to after school because my dad was working, right? And there was this one dance teacher. I had to go to dance. I did not want to do it. I had to go. And every time she would start the class with the pump up the jam song, and I think it scarred me because I heard it so much. I was like, no, pumping up the jam. But now I kind of like it. And I'm like, maybe the song's not like so bad. John Connor sounds like the South Park voice. Yeah, damn kidney stones. Yeah, I did. It was so bad. I was in the hospital yesterday, guys. For those of you that weren't here earlier, I was literally freaking down and out. I made the stream. I was literally so ready to stream yesterday. I was like, all right, I'm going to just sip my coffee, get ready to stream, have a little bit of brekkie. I didn't even make it to coffee. My coffee was brewed. It was hot. My coffee was brewed and hot. And I didn't even take my bag. From my house. Literally rushed out. Yeah, and I got stoned, guys, but from my kidneys. Not the other stuff. So that was like really messed up. Digital Duke, my opinion on Pi Network. Pi Network has been around since I got in crypto, and I really haven't heard anything about it that has really stuck out to me. But if you have any information, then you could drop it in the shill part of the Discord. I'm more than happy to hear what's going on with Pi Network. I would actually really like an update if you could go in there. Kidney stones at 18. I'm 20, Crypto Allah. I'm 20 and kidney stones. Yeah. That, like when she told me yesterday, the nurse goes, okay, so like, she goes, so you actually had kidney stones. I looked at her, I was like, what? And like my dad, like Emma, they were just sitting there like, what? But yeah, so that was like actually nuts. That was so crazy. Chris Hanley, sorry to hear about kidney stones. I've had them like 10 times. Worst pain ever. Yeah, Chris, you have no idea. No idea. Like
2017 ASICs became profitable yesterday because of DGB.
I did see Digibyte was having a good day with rewards yesterday. I did see that. Yo, that is beautiful. Shout out to Digibyte, man. I love Digibyte. Hi, Moby Rick. Chris Hanley said, you think you're dying. Yeah. Chris Hanley, are we good? I hope we can still be friends. But yeah, dude, it was, that was, I couldn't imagine, like, you know, anything. I literally thought I was gonna die. I was like, what is happening to me? Horrible. But it is what it is. I'm very happy that we were able to get through it. Kidney stones in females is not that bad compared to males. Yeah, I heard about that. But, man, Club 80 said Digibite was my first altcoin crush. I went, yeah, I did have to go to Emma's bed for safety. I do not want to go sit in Emma's bed. But not that there's much wrong with that. But anyway, I didn't want to, like, I just like my own bed, you know. But we were in the room, and she was like, I just had to sit down. I could not even walk. That's how bad it was. Shoot, man. Always good, sweetheart. Yeah, I got you, man. Moby, hi Moby. Guys, we need to rave. I think I need a rave because, like, sheesh, man. Sheesh. Stones can drop a Navy SEAL. They could drop anybody. It just it makes you realize how, like, you know, fragile we are as people. That like a little thing could do so much damage to a person. But I need to rave. So if you guys could help me rave my pain away, that would be great. Rave. I literally went to bed at 9 p.m. Literally 9 p.m. last night. Done. Freaking done. Oh, we're about to hit $69.69 Litecoin. That's gorgeous. We're at $69. We hit it, $69.69. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. Sheesh, dude, $69.69 Litecoin. That's so iconic. Okay, guys, we got to rave. If you guys are ready, type that rave in the chat because I honestly think I'm hearing things. And it maybe won't be the kidney stones running through my body. Maybe it's the club. Maybe it's the rave. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
fraudsters, scammers, Ponzi schemes. Fraudsters, scammers, Ponzi schemes.
That was beautiful. Sheesh. Sheesh, man. I love this freaking font. This font really turned out better, honestly, than I thought it would on this hat. I really love it. Yo, the Gary Gensler remix. It's freaking bomb, dude. I love the Gary Gensler. I hit the Gary button. I'm like, Huckster, scam artist. Like, freaking great. I wonder if Gary Gensler really watches the show, dude. If Gary Gensler really watched the show, man, I think he would love it. I really think Gary Gensler would get a kick out of it. And you know what the funny thing is? I really do believe Gary Gensler watches crypto Twitter. Like, this man is definitely in our streams. Like, the Gary Gensler loves crypto. If you guys are interested in acquiring a beanie like the one I have on my head, the Sheesh beanie is available in all different colors. I currently have it in gray. It's a really nice gray. But check out the merch store and check out all the love and support the channel. Also, I do tweet every day on X exclusively for my peeps, for my exclusive subscribers over there. So if you guys could subscribe over there, that would be great.
You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Please rave to pump up the jam. Folded hands.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. I don't know if I could do it because then I would get copyrighted and they probably remove my stream. You know what they make me do, Digi? I would do it, but whenever, like, sometimes I put up interviews on the podcast, right? And then I'll get an email from YouTube saying, oh, we don't like what you're doing. You got manually checked and we got to remove that now or you got to delete your whole video. So then I have to literally take out that part. Leonard thought this was a crypto stream. Bro, you weren't here at the beginning. No need to get salty, Leonard. Leonard, do you want to be my friend? Leonard? Kid, Leonard, write in the chat. Let's not troll. Let's jump in the chat and say, let's be friends. Friends? Question mark. I'm putting out my hands. You better virtually shake my hands, Leonard, or we're going to have issues, Leonard. But I won't have issues with Christina. Christina sent me 3 roses. Thank you, Christina. Shout out to you, man. French toast. What's up? Okay. Is this a recording, Mr. Clean? No, it's not. Good morning. Good morning to everyone on the TikToks. I appreciate you all. Leonard. Mike Lowry said, I need a friend. Here's a friend. Here's some love. We have you in the Zesty fam. We will be there for you. MCC going thuggish, ruggish. What he did? Oh, gosh. You guys are so awesome, dude. Leonard didn't get back in the chat. Cryptophasia, nice to see you. Listen, it's okay, Leonard. No one puts Randy in the corner. No, we're gonna fight. Wah, wah, wah. What's up, Lifer Adam? John Connor, hire a video editor, easy breezy to take out the clip and repost. I do need video editors, man. I do try to do it myself, but it's an obnoxious amount of stuff. Oh my gosh, Leonard, friends just stab you in the back, life experiences. Listen, Leonard, I've experienced that to the top degree. I've had people that have done some vicious stuff to me, and it's not cool, which is why I don't do that to people, and which is why I try to be nice and positive, and I do try to rave to bring some positivity to my life and others. Hopefully, that's the case. People could let you know about the let you know about that in the chat. But Leonard, if you need Zest, if you need friends, you need a family, because this is a Zesty family, then we're here for you. And we will not hurt you. I will not hurt you. I will only give you love and positivity. So Leonard, if you want to be a part of that, then you could. And if not, then I do wish you all the best. But I would prefer that you be a part of the community. You throw a heart or some sort of handshake in the chat to symbolize some zest. All right. Yeah, stay positive, Lenny. Stay positive, my guy. Oh, hello, George Gadwick. Welcome to the show, George Gadwick. Listen, guys, we have 142 likes. I would love 150. Oval, do you really want to hurt me? Leonard? No, we don't want to hurt Leonard. We want to give Leonard love. Sheesh. We want to give him love. Listen, guys, this was an amazing stream, and I'm so happy I was able to do this for literally an hour and a half, because I am crazy. I'm crazy. I'm wicked. My noodle is lost. So thank you guys so much for joining me today. Shout out to everybody that is supporting me. Alexandra G, much love to you. Guys, this was a beautiful stream. You guys are beautiful people, and thank you for supporting me and giving me it points out the person that hurt you. There's too many, bro. There's too many. Which is why I'm here. Which is why we're in crypto, because we like to be a part of each other's life. We're a family here, and we're not trying to hurt anybody, especially not on this channel. I always tell you guys on this channel, it's not about making money, despite what maybe other people will say, and if that's their prerogative, it is. It's not about making money here. It's about being a family, and it's about changing people's lives, and it's about bringing a financial revolution where we're able to have our own crypto, we're able to own something and be happy. Life, liberty, and property. That's what we're here for. Not anything else, not to make money, not to shill BS, but we're here to shill some love. So thank you guys so much. Thank you. Look at all the energy she has after a kidney stone. Yeah, I don't even know if it's gone yet, to be honest, but I'm not hurting anymore. So yay! Guys, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and share this stream out with friends so more people know what's going on. Thank you guys so much for your love. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your positivity all throughout my craziness. I appreciate you. Have a great day. I will see you tomorrow. And as always, don't be a
Hucksters,
fraudster,
fraudsters, scam artists,
a
Ponzi schemes.
Oh my gosh, my coffee almost went. Your bottle almost went in my coffee. Have a great day, guys. I'm a mess. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Oh my gosh, I can't.